Karen Nyamu rĩu nĩaremetwo kũhitha marakara make na agakorwo agĩũkĩrĩra ngathĩti ĩmwe mwena wa Facebook thutha wayo gũkorwo ĩ-publish ũhoro atĩ Karen Nyamu nĩarakorirwo akĩ-attack Madam Bernice Saroni ũrĩa ũkoretwo agĩ-promote show ya Samido, tour ya Samido in USA. Na actually not so long ago, Samido onake nĩarakorirwo akĩ-address the same issue. Na ũmũthĩ it is Karen Nyamu responding na nĩokĩrĩra ngathĩti ĩyo na kũmera matige kũ-force issues. They should stop forcing this narrative because it is not true. Na she took to their comment section na kuga, hehehe, stop forcing a narrative. You can also tell us if organizing and promoting an artist tour abroad is the preserve of men. Karen Nyamu agakiuga the lady is just promoting and organizing Samido's tour, and that is what people have now turned into a whole other issue. Makigeria kuga ati Samido ena mutumia ũyũ rĩu na nginya magakorwo makidrag Karen Nyamu into the whole situation. Na Karen Nyamu agakiuga this is something that needs to be stopped tondũ ona there is no truth in it. Bernice Saroni is just promoting and organizing Samido's tour in USA, and that's it. Na maya mangĩ no mũhuhu and people trying to push a narrative that doesn't even exist. Na agakiuga Madam Saroni is only organizing and promoting Samido's tour. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũ-subscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.